One of my goals in Patreon is to create a supportive community in which I support the members of my community through videos where I explain my creative process and the projects that I'm currently working on, behind the scenes where I show how I shoot the work in my portfolio, and also video tutorials, while my patrons support me with their monthly membership so that I can keep on creating the videos that I create for them. But I think that the most important thing for me is that both the members of my community and we support the causes that we believe in the form of monthly donations to different charities. So far, we have supported Doctors Without Borders, Red Cross, Amnesty International, Mind, which is an organization that supports people who are struggling with their mental health. We have supported Mermaids, which is a charity that supports young trans people, and we have also fed vulnerable children in these difficult times. So if you want to be part of this beautiful movement, come and join my Patreon community today.